What's up, motherfuckers? Andrew Yaden here. Now, I'm not doing some crazy fucking commercial today. I'm here to tell you about Diesel Crate. You never heard of Diesel Crate? You obviously live under a fucking rock and planet dipshit. Look at all this cool shit you get with it. Koozies to hold your fucking beer. It's turned inside out for some reason, but nonetheless, still a cool fucking koozie. Built, not bought, motherfucker. You've got fucking license plates for your big ass UT truck. You've got crazy stickers. There was a bag of beef jerky in here, but I'm not gonna lie, I fucking eat it. Dirt infused soap. I mean, who the fuck thought of that? Dirt infused soap. Would have never fucking thought that. And hell, here's the best part. You don't have to have some big old stupid fucking yee diesel truck to fucking buy a Diesel Crate. Hell, I ride in a goddamn limousine. Now, that's also because I'm rich as fuck, but like I said, you can have any kind of vehicle. You ain't gotta have to have a diesel. You can have a fucking SUV. You can have a fucking smart car. Then you can have a bicycle and still buy a Diesel Crate. Dieselcrate.com. Check them out, motherfuckers. Have a great day.